circle. Step 1 is to draw a big circle in the middle of the paper. So, I'm going to draw my big circle. I'm going to put a dot here in the middle, and I'm going to, that's my circle, and see how I drew light, not draw too dark. Now, the second part is to draw a rectangle. Or square, either or. So this is more like a square. You can also draw a rectangle if you want the neck to be longer. And now you're gonna draw a half of a square for the body. Now, step 2 is you're gonna draw 2 circles in the big circle. So this is the big circle. I'm gonna draw 2 circles. Now, I'm going to use a circle ruler. You don't have to do this. Actually, no, I'm not. Yeah, I like this. So I'm gonna use the back of my cup instead, and I want to make my eyes a little bit bigger. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to measure out exactly how my eyes are to be. So you can make your eyes small, or you can make your eyes as big as mine. If you do have a tracer, you can also use a water bottle or anything, but for right now, I like to use the cup. And then I'm also gonna use the tracer that I have, and I make the eyeballs inside. You don't have to use a tracer, you can just draw smaller circles. And then I have my pupils, so I'm gonna draw one here and one over here. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna draw a triangle for the mouth. So I have my ruler here. If you don't have a ruler, that's fine. All you want you to do is you draw your triangle for the mouth. Once you're done drawing your triangle, you're gonna move on to the third step. You'll draw one vertical line. So I have my ruler here. You do not need a ruler, but I'm using my ruler. So I'm drawing a line all the way down. And it's not perfect. It doesn't need to be perfect, because what you're gonna do is you're gonna create more lines. So once you're done with that, you're gonna create more lines in the face first. So it's gonna be diagonal lines. Diagonal lines are slanted lines. Now I'm gonna make 4 diagonal lines. So I made 1. This is 2. This is also a diagonal line. We're gonna make one over here. So see how I'm only putting it to the point. So here's my point. So I have 3, and I wanna do one more. So I have 4. Okay, so that's 4. Now I wanna make 4 here in the neck. So that's 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna make 4 right here. And for the body, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do 1 and 2. I'm only gonna make 2 for the body. Diagonal lines. So when you're done drawing your person, what you're gonna do is gonna color each triangle shape using different colors, using either crayons, markers, or colored pencils. So I'm gonna start to color my triangles. So I'm gonna choose different colors. So I'm only gonna color 2 of the person. Okay, so I did purple. Now I'm gonna choose the red, and I'm gonna go next to it. So if you only have a couple crayons, you could do a pattern, but I don't want the same colors next to each other. That is something that that needs to be, if you put the same colors next to each other, the triangles will look like one big triangle. We don't want that. We want small triangles. And my third color is going to be this blue right here, this lighter blue. So whatever crayons you have at home, you can use. Okay, so I finished my Paul Klee face portrait. I also have outlined the face portrait with black marker. If you don't have a black marker, use a black crayon or a colored pencil, or you could just use just the pencil and leave it. And I colored each triangle with a different color crayon. Whatever crayon you have at home, you can use.